mag-message. Hello!
Hello. Ano
To,
nagme-message?
sarili natin.
Congrats.
Congrats sa ating dalawa na iraos natin.
Yes, sir. Congrats sa kay Marge and kay Ian kasi ubos na yung pera nila.
Thank you po sa lahat na nagpunta. Super love namin kayong lahat. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Hi, Marge, Ian. Congratulations. Walang sinabi. We're so happy na finally kasal na kayo. Mas mahalin nyo pa yung isa't isa. At mas galingan mo pang gumiling.
Congrats, enjoy kayo. Hello? Walang nasagot. Wala. Congratulations, Marjo and Ian.
Kailangan ba nakatapat din lang? Hello! Congrats!
May nasagot ka?
Hello! Congratulations, Marge and Ian! I'm so happy for both of you. Sana magmahalan kayo lalo. And happiness, good health, and healthy relationship in the future. And yun, dito lang kaming friends nyo. Always. And congratulations! And best wishes.
Hello, Marge. Nare-open daw yung ticket mo. Hindi, joke lang. Newlyweds, have a happy marriage. Hope for all the best. Wish you all the best. Bye!
Hello, Marge. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw na to. Nandito kami, masaya kami para sa'yo.
Hello! Hello! Nasaan ka na ba? Hindi. Congratulations, Marge and Ian. At sana ay maging strong kayo palagi. Yun. Ano? Hoy, may kinakausap ako. Ayun, congratulations and best wishes. Magpakarami kayong lahat.
Congratulations! Best wishes! Bye-bye! Kailangan mo magkakahuli.
Hello, tita? Ako to, si Miguel. Congrats sa inyo ni Tita Ian. I love you. Ingat. Bye-bye ulit si Ninang Gina.
Hi, Ate Marge and Kuya Ian. Congrats. Kasi ang laki mo na. Charot. Kasi dati nalaga mo lang ako. Tapos ngayon kakasal ka na. Yun lang. Congrats.
Hi! Hi, Marge and Ian. Congratulations. And yeah, see you in Bali. Bye.
Hello! Thank you for calling. Hello, Ian and Marge. Congratulations. Sobrang happy kami na makita kayong maglaplapan. Sana magkaroon agad kami ng inaanak and 'di ba? Parang ang pretty oh. Walang maayos na message to oh. Ikaw na.
Hello! Ay, ano ba? Hello! Congrats, Ian and Marge. Finally, ito na yung pinaka iniintay nyo. Ang maikasal kayong dalawa. So, yun. Super duper happy ako para sa inyo. And sana, ano ba? Ayun. Ano sana maging happy kayo sa susunod na chapter ng buhay niyo, which is maging maging mag-asawa. Yun. Love ko kayo both and sana magkaroon ako ng inaanak or pamangkin sa inyong dalawa. Love you both.
Hello, isang one-piece burger at isang Jolly Spag po. Pakibilisan po. Ayan lang. Congrats sa inyong dalawa. Mahal namin kayo.
Hello, Ate Marge and Kuya Ian. Congratulations. And I hope na maging financially stable and have a happy life for the Congrats!
Hello, Kuya Ian and Ate Marge. Naalala ko yung first time na punta po kayo sa bahay kasi pinakalala po ni Kuya Ian si Ate Marge. So, doon din po si Kuya, of course. Tapos, ayun, wala lang. Syempre, di ba, who wouldn't expect na
kayo po talaga until the end. I didn't know much about how relationship works or marriage, but hopefully, lahat ng dreams nyo matupad and ayun pa, na magkaroon pa ng happy marriage.
Hello, Kuya Ian and Ate Marge. Congratulations on your wedding day. Best wishes. Stay happy forever.
Hello, Marge and Ian. Congratulations. So, we're very happy na sa wakas nakasal din kayo. I picked a card, sabi dito, what would you write in a love letter to their future selves? So, we would want to still be in your lives, kahit nasa Kalamba kayo or kahit kami sa Kainta, o kahit man saan man tayo. So, I hope our future would still lead us together. Ganun pa rin yung mga outings, mga Nomo sessions. Ikaw, love, may message ka.
Congrats, yun lang.
Wish you all well and happy future together. Love each other always. Bye!
Hello, Marge. I have a message for you. Na-reopen pala yung ticket mo. So, kailangan mo mag-log in. Kailangan mo magtrabaho bago ka mag-honeymoon. Joke lang. Best wishes.
Congrats, Ian and Marjorie. We love you both. God bless.
Pronto? So, congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Alvarez. Wow. Always put the Lord at the center of your marriage. And always seek the Lord in everything. Congratulations, brother and my sister-in-law. Ikaw?
Congratulations po, Kuya Ian and Ate Marge. Hoping for the best.
Bye-bye!
Bye!
And you say,
Congratulations!
All the best,
Bye.
and we hope you a blessed and future life together. Right?
Bye.
Oh, you say, God bless.
Bye.
Take care. You say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello. Oh. Binabati ko kayong dalawa. Salamat naman ako nakarating. Congrats. Sana hinahangad ko ang inyong tagumpay sa buhay. Tito Pino.
Ian and Marge. Congratulations and best wishes, Tita Loli.
Congrats, Ian and Marge. God bless.
Hi, Ian and Marge. Congrats sa inyo and sana maging masaya ang pagsasama nyo. And alam naman na plano naman to ni Lord. And sana maging masaya ang marriage life nyo.
hello, kaya yan. Yan, congrats sa inyo ni Ate Marge. Tsaka basketball na tayo ulit. Ano lang, sana hindi ko na ulit masira laptop ni Kuya. So yun, congrats sa inyo. Tsaka parang pangalawang Kuya Naita since Naita mo na ako paglaki. Wala bata ako grade 2. So, yun lang naman. Congrats sa inyo. Tsaka, more blessings sa inyo dalawa. Yun lang. Congrats kay Ian.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi.
Marge and Ian.
Congratulations.
And best wishes to both of you.
Yeah, all the best to your married life together. We wish you happiness, fortune, and baby. Yes, most of baby soon.
Okay, bye-bye.
See you soon.
Hello? Hello? Is this Tagalog? Is this legit? Anyways, Kuya and Ate Marge. Congrats Welcome to the family, Ate Marge! And, oo nga, totoo nga sinabi ni Kuya Bricks. Buti napapagtiisan mo si Kuya Ian. Pero anyways, I wish you long life together with a lot of kids. Okay, bye-bye!
いらっしゃいませ。こんばんは。鍵室はどこです。Bye, Kuya. Hello. Goodbye. Congrats, brother and sister-in-law. Welcome to the family. Congrats, Mr. and Mrs. Alvarez.
From sa dalawa, from congrats sa marriage nyo galing sa dalawang beautiful mong kapatid. Bye-bye!
Congrats! Congrats! We love you.
Marge.
Congrats, Ian and Marge.
Laging mag-usap mabuti. Ha? Lahat ng bagay dapat para sa ignition, ha? Love you. Love you both.
Congrats!
Hi, Baba. We made it. And thank you sa lahat ng support during the wedding planning na we made it at nairausan natin ang napakagandang kasal na to. Thank you so much for everything and I love you so much. As matatawag na kitang asawa ko.
Hello! Hello, Baba. Hello, asawa ko. Congratulations to us. I love you so much. See you when I see you. Kita kita ngayon dito sa mirror. Mahal na mahal kita, Baba. I promise I'll protect you always. I'll listen to you. Mahal na mahal kita. And I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you. Bye-bye.